Hello, this is Tony Heller from RealClimateScience.com. In 2007, academics and politicians started making predictions of an imminent ice-free Arctic. The BBC said the Arctic would be ice-free by 2013, and Nobel laureate Al Gore predicted the ice would be gone by the summer of 2014. The Sierra Club explained why Arctic sea ice will vanish in 2013. And NASA's James Hansen predicted the ice would be gone between 2013 and 2018. Congressional Democrats described him as a climate prophet. And since they started making these predictions in 2007, there's been no trend in the minimum, mean, or maximum sea ice extent. In other words, their predictions were scientifically baseless propaganda. I started making fun of them for these ridiculous predictions 16 years ago. Now let's take a look at the basic physics which these academics and politicians don't seem to understand. This graph shows temperatures near the North Pole for every day this year. The dashed line shows 0 degrees Celsius, which is the freezing point of water. The blue line shows the mean temperature from 1958 to 2002. We are into August now, and in a few days, temperatures near the North Pole will drop below freezing for the winter. Yet there is still lots of sea ice in the Arctic basin. Temperatures north of 80 degrees latitude, which is shown as this circle here, will be below freezing in a few days. There is no way to get an ice-free Arctic because the Arctic summer is too short. This chart shows the total amount of solar energy received at all latitudes and dates on Earth. At midsummer, the North Pole receives more solar energy than any place else on Earth. This is because the sun is up relatively high in the sky and it's shining 24 hours a day. But by early August, the sun is starting to rapidly disappear at the North Pole, and by the end of August, there's almost no sunlight being received. So once again, the bottom line is that the Arctic summer is too short, and there's no way to achieve an ice-free Arctic. 16 years ago, the experts were wrong because they don't understand basic physics. But I get accused of spreading misinformation every day because I provide accurate information about climate. Toto's been pulling back the curtain on the climate scam for more than 16 years. You can visit him and his family on the web at realclimatescience.com.